find the 5-number summary of a data set. Now, it helps to know what the 5-number summary is before you have to find it. So when we talk about the 5-number summary, we're talking about the minimum value, the maximum value, and then the quartiles. So a big thing is you want to order your numbers least to greatest. That will make it easy to find your min and your max because your smallest and your largest number. And from there, you can find your quartiles. So let's go ahead and find the 5-number summary for the data set. You'll notice these are not in numerical order, least to greatest. So that is our first step. So 2, 7, 9, 13, 15, 17, 18, 26, 34, 38, and 41. Now, I recommend that you always double check, right? Count the numbers that you had to begin with, count your next set, because if you miss a number, it throws everything off. Okay, so nice and easy. We know our minimum value is 2. We know our maximum value is 41. So now we need to find our quartiles. Well, to start our first quartile, we're going to find the median of the entire set because that will give us quartile 2, right? It cuts it in half. So in this case, we have an odd number, and our median is going to cut right through 17. So Q2 is 17. To find Q1, we look at our lower half of numbers. Because we cut through 17, it is no longer part of our working data set. So we're just going to look at the 5 numbers below. Because, again, it's an odd number, we're going to cut right through number 9. So Q1 is 9. Remember, when you're finding quartiles, you're just finding the median of the overall data set, the median of the lower half, and then the median of the upper half. So the median of the top 5 numbers cuts right through 34, and Q3 is 34. And that is our 5-number summary for that data set. Let's do one more. Here, the numbers are already in order for you, least to greatest, so we can jump right in. Now, here you'll notice we have an even number of data, which means we have to find the average of the middle 2 in order to find our median. So the 2 numbers right in the middle are 22 and 28. So to find the average of that, we will add those together, divide by 2. So 22 plus 28 gives us 50. 50 divided by 2 is 25. So we know that our median of the data set cuts right between those two. Since it doesn't cut through a number, both of those are still in play for the other pieces. All right, while I'm at it, let's go ahead and write our minimum number, which we know is 8, and our maximum, which is 51. Gotta love the easy ones. Okay, let's find our Q1, which is the median of the lower half. Now, we only have 5 numbers in the lower half, right? 8, 10, 12, 18, and 22. So the median cuts through the middle, which in this case is 12. So Q1 equals 12. We go to our upper set, which has the 5 numbers. Median cuts through the middle. So Q3 is 40. And there's your 5-number summary. Don't forget, after you are done with finding your quartiles, you can always double check to make sure the number of values between your quartiles is constant. So in this case, you can see we have 2 values between each set of quartiles, which means we have cut it into 4 equal parts, so you know they're correct.